not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
So I'm gonna just show y'all why I come back home after work irritated as fuck. I want you to look at that. And I'm in here like, oh, what does that smell? It smells like dead coochie. It's green, moldy ass spoiled chicken. I'm finna take a picture of this and I dare a manager to pull me in the office about anything. After I get off work, first thing I gotta do is take a deep breath because y'all saw what I had to go through today, okay? Call me dramatic, I don't care, that was nasty. I'm gonna tell you guys in the beginning of the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below the craziest things that's happened to you while you were at work. And without further ado, let's get into
or should I be tripping on you? These decisions ain't easy. Believe me, I know it's hard to read me. And I know these girls, I'm getting greedy. Cause I can't find one that knows how to treat a man. I'm just really trying to understand. Who really trying to know who I am? Cause right now I can't even trust my friends. I'm trying to live my life right. That's all I'm trying to do. Won't you be my baby?
I'm stepping up, I took the shit. I'm stepping up, I took the shit. So don't you fight it. So don't you fight it. Baby boy, you stay on my mind. Fulfill my fantasy. Come on, girl, tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy. Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they cannot be denied. Come check me in at the night to make me get it amplified. But if you run the ship, me nah go slip, me nah go slide. In other words, the love I got to give it certified. For give it the toughest, longest time for ride. Girl, baby boy, you stay on my mind. Come on, girl, tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. Baby boy, not a day goes.
Y'all don't know how long it took me to do that.
Come on, girl,
Long enough, you can love me. Listen long enough, you can love me. I'll be just yours, you can hold me. I'll be just yours, you can hold me.
Hey y'all, me and Cassette are about to go to this restaurant, and I'm supposed to be up here getting just my umbrella. I'm doing extra, like talking to you guys. I'm gonna talk to y'all some more in the car because I'm really rushing right now. Yeah. So yeah, y'all, we about to go to the what's it called? It's like Aria or something like that. We're gonna go to Aria, fancy bougie restaurant. We set a reservation for 7, and oh, it's yelling at me. Anyway, before I was rudely interrupted by the car, we set a reservation for 7, and it's what, 4:31, and the restaurant is in Charlotte. So we're gonna be speeding through the highway. Oh yeah. And I'll see y'all when we get there. Enjoy this little montage. We about to make our way into CVS. And I forgot I look like this, but it's giving ghetto. So yeah, we gotta get Cassidy some, I think some nipple covers still. And then she said she wanted some razors. So we gotta get those first. And then get some gas. And then we'll be on our way.
Every time you kiss me, don't say that you miss me. Just come get me.
Hey, bitches. We made it. We made it. Finally, I got to pee. I'm taking these pins out my hair so fast. And is it cute? Yeah. Is it cute, y'all? How do I turn my flash? Trying to figure out how to turn my flash. All right.
You got A?
Yes, I found here and I need my umbrella.
It's not a bad walking distance.
Man, I don't
Does it
know.
matter?
I hope not, because we paid the park.
Should I write like a little note?
On what?
Like just put it in the top. We're new here, we don't know. Please don't tell me.
Tandem parkers only. Violators will be. Let's just move.
Don't know, I just know I want to. Don't know, I just know I want you. I'd rather be breaking things, cause we can't see. We're too busy kissing, just making scenes. Here come the police, they know about your
All right. So y'all, now we about to get some. What's it called? Boba.
Yeah.
We about to go get some boba because Cassidy want me to try it. Cassidy want me to try it. And I ain't never had this bullshit before, so it better be good. Pasta always do it to you, don't it? What the hell? I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. I'm not even doing it. Ooh, nice. Real cutesies in here. Hold on. So Cassidy gonna get a regular tea boba. That's why I'm so short. Your face is cut off. And if hers is good, then I'm gonna buy myself. I know this music is copyright and y'all can't even hear me. Let me show them your stuff. So I tried it, y'all. It was nice.
Get what you pay, listen to your friend. It's great things, you should have been like red. Go get a fucking job. If you had my love and I gave you all my trust, would you come
We're walking into Walmart. We gotta get some cookies and some brownies and some cinnamon rolls because we about to bake like some city boys. City boys make them wish like Ray J. Let me talk to him. All these JT, Hellcat, SRT. I know I look like a real vlogger. Focus on me, ho. No, Ariana Grande.
Oh, bye.
Oh my gosh, I forgot how cold it be. Not him thinking I was recording him. I said, not him thinking I was recording him. Boy, get your bald-headed ass on somewhere. Looking like this Arizona tea on the shelf. Maybe if I do that.
I have a bird in here.
Right? But you thought that was a parrot. I got my... I was about to say cinnamon rolls. I got my chocolate chip cookies. I got my chocolate chip cookies. Huh? Apparently can't find the brownie, so we had to get the gang with us. We had to get a pro. I don't know why it's not focusing on me, y'all. I don't know what to tell you. I'm trying my best. Hellcat is SRT. Lucky Wax is 3. There we go. So we got mega cookie, mega brownie.
Like walnuts?
Yeah, nah.
Will you eat it though? If I get it?
Yeah. That we guess, yeah. I just take
You
it
can make it
home.
like a cake kind of. Just put ice cream on it.
Ice cream on it? A regular brownie?
Yeah.
We could do that.
Yeah.
think Daddy got regular pans. That'd be cool.
Right?
Put some ice cream scoops on it. He got an ice cream scooper too, so
We
it's
can
gonna be
mix it
cute.
brownie and cookie mix.
You lost me. No, I'm just like, we could try that.
I'm excited to try it. See, it's like made with everything. See, it's organic
camera.
sugar, organic wheat flour.
Cutesies. Which one should we get?
Well, I like me personally, I mint chocolate chip, but like,
What is wrong with you?
I like mint chocolate chip.
Comment down below if you like mint chocolate chips, and I'm gonna block you from watching my videos, and I'm done with her too, because mint chocolate chip.
It's good. It has a spice to it.
You know she friends with Ted Bundy. She was the one who said I love him.
I'm afraid of him. He just doesn't look like the type to kill somebody.
Because y'all psycho. No.
And we'll just do a little up close, you know.
Yes. Look at me being a cashier. Just knowing where barcodes are, so wipe the barcode off. Now you have to do those things. Now, let me search for my card.
How you stop it?
Top button on the right.
On the right. Where?
Top button.
Oh, right here.
Yeah. Red. Oh no, the red button right here.
Oh.
So y'all, I just put my cookies in. Oh, I'm talking to the camera. I just put my cookies in and say cook them for 11 to 12 minutes. So I'm gonna cook them for 13 minutes for the extra crisp on the sauce. And then I'm gonna put the rest of these up. That's done. Here's the brownies so far. The brownies look good. Kid cuisine brownies, you know what I'm saying? My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna go charge my battery for a little bit. And I'm gonna come back when everything is done and we get our ice cream and all that. So, timer is set. And we're gonna wait 12 more minutes. I already showed your brownie. The 20 sprinkles I have. Ice cream and cookies on a plate. Brownies and a cookie and ice cream on a plate. This is me getting ready for work. I don't see no need to get all cute and stuff like that, but I was going to for some reason. I just felt like I wanted to, but we'll save all that for next week. This is the end of this vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below. Answer some of the questions I asked throughout this vlog. If you like mint ice cream, craziest thing that happened to you at work, just comment down below anything. I don't care. But yeah, thank you guys for watching if you got this far, and I'll see you guys in the next video.